Hi guys, just wanted to show you this very interesting nuclear radiation detector. Says GQ Geiger Counter GMC-800. Of course, I'm not an expert on that. I just wanted to look a little bit into that. I found this device and it looked very tempting, so I tried it out and I was blown away how easy this is to use. So I wanted to share my experience with you. So this is what you get. That's the box. Looks pretty simple, but the most important thing is of course what we have inside. Comes with a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, then a full instructions manual, but you can see already how simple this is. Just 2 or 3 pages, almost nothing. Get also this reference card, what's low value, what's medium, what's high value. But the good thing, you don't need that actually, because everything is already on this device, and of course it came nicely protected. I took it already out, so you don't have to be worried. It really came nicely protected with everything. Just wanted to show you what's in the box here. And so that's it here. Pretty solid device, I would say. Decent protection to use it inside, outside. We have even some really cool extra thing here. That's the battery. It comes already with a pre-charged rechargeable lithium ion battery, but you can see you can easily take it out. I mean, it's not a standard double A rechargeable battery. You can see it doesn't have these pins left or right, but that's a battery which you can easily buy online. Absolutely no problem. Just make sure that you put it back the right way. It's a little bit difficult to see without the pin, but it's still a difference between left and right. But it has good protection anyway against when you put it in the wrong way. Doesn't matter. It's just not turning on. And to turn on, we long press here. Yeah, I think I have to press a little bit longer. Says GQ Electronics Seattle. And yeah, you heard it already. It has built-in speakers. So we have an impressive 5 possibilities for an alarm. We have even vibration possibilities if you can't hear or you want to have it in your pocket. We have the voice, we have the speaker, we have the LED, we have the screen, we have this indicator here. Can't even remember everything. 5 different ways how you can get alerted with this device. Of course, you have to set a threshold. I'm going to show you that. But first, when you turn it on, you have already the most important thing here. You can see the CPS level, and it does not only show a number where you don't know what it is or you have to look it up. Here you can see it directly on this bar if you are in green, yellow or red. And so we are here on the right side. You can see CPS. Then we can click up, goes to MRH. Don't remember the name for that, but you can see also the number and the rating. And we click again, goes to this one here, shows the number, and the rating goes to this one here, shows the rating. Absolutely awesome. So you can switch between these 4 readings. And of course there's much more. So we can click here on the left side, then goes switches here on top. You can see here's the dose rate, and when we click here goes to graphic. You can see the rate, the maximum, the 1 minute tracking, the 1 hour tracking, and that of course for all the 4 different types of reading. Then we click again, then switches to the dosimeter, and also here we can switch between the different items. We can click here again, then goes to the history. That looks already pretty cool. You can see that here says when it started tracking, and so we have the average, we have the current max, previous max, and a really nice graph here. I think we can even change some things here. You can see, can check all the previous records. And we can click here again. Then we have the full menu here. So we have some user settings. You can see we can change the sound alarm, speaker volume, LED indicator, fast estimate, go down. Then we have the different themes. We can even change the color. So we can change the colors for the normal theme, for the dark theme, backlight. Then we go down. We can save the data, erase data, lot configuration, especially clock set. I mean, it arrived with pretty accurate date and time, but I still had to adjust it a little bit, factory reset calibration. By the way, when you want to go to the right side, click on detail, you have to use the on off button, just short, not long. With long it would turn off, so we click just short, then we go down to alarm, and you can see we can turn on and off the alarm, but we have this threshold number, so we click on that and you can see we can change the threshold for the alarm for the different readings. So I love how simple this is. We don't have to read a 100 pages instructions manual for hours. We can just go to this device, click a little bit around, and usually I would say 90% of the thing you will find anyway here directly on the screen. It's so easy to use. By the way, one thing regarding charge I wanted to tell you, here we have the USB-C, standard USB-C, and now you can see it's charging, but we can still use it. So this is very convenient for long-term reading if you want to check for days and weeks or months. I think there's even some numbers which accumulate. I mean, I haven't been looking too deep into that, but when you check in detail you will see it has pretty much everything, not only for the beginner. I would say this is also working for a pro. Maybe they have some other devices, but this gives you already so much. It's absolutely incredible what you can see here. So if you're worried a little bit, living maybe close to a nuclear reactor or some other facility, or you're just worried about global tensions and you want to stay informed what's going to happen regarding nuclear radiation in your area, I would say that's an awesome thing. Absolutely perfect. I mean, I'm testing so many devices and so many things are very difficult to use, but this thing here is absolutely super easy already for the beginner and has so many options. So highly recommended from my side. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.